You know that moment when everyone around you is getting sick, your coworkers, your friends, even people in your house. And you're just sitting there thinking, please don't let me be next. And then, boom, it hits you anyway. Low energy, runny nose, brain fog. And suddenly everything you had planned for the week, gone. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. But here's the real question. Why do some people get sick constantly while others almost never do? Most people think boosting immunity is about one thing, vitamin C, orange juice, maybe a supplement or two. But here's what most people don't realize. Your immune system isn't a quick fix problem. It's a daily system. In fact, according to research from Harvard Medical School, there's no single food, pill, or hack that boosts immunity instantly. So if you've been looking for a shortcut, that's exactly why it hasn't worked. Think of your immune system like a bank account. Every healthy habit you do, that's a deposit. Every bad habit, that's a withdrawal. Now, most people are unknowingly overdrawn, and then they wonder why they get sick. This is where it gets really interesting, because small daily habits, done consistently, can dramatically reduce how often you get sick. Let's break down exactly how. Step 1. Sleep, the hidden superpower. Now, you might be thinking, I know sleep is important, but here's the reality. A study published in Sleep Journal found that people who sleep less than 6 hours are 4 times more likely to catch a cold compared to those who get 7+ hours. 4 times. That's not small, that's massive. When you sleep, your body produces infection-fighting molecules called cytokines. No sleep equals fewer defenses. Action step. Start with a simple rule. Go to bed at the same time every night. Aim for 7 to 8 hours minimum. No phone 30 minutes before bed. Step 2. Nutrition, fueling your defense system. Your immune system is literally built from the nutrients you consume. Yet most diets today, processed, low in nutrients and high in sugar. And here's the problem. Too much sugar can actually suppress immune function. According to research, consuming high amounts of sugar can reduce your immune cell's ability to fight bacteria for several hours. So that soda or dessert binge, it's not just calories, it's weakening your defenses. Action step. Focus on these 3 simple upgrades. Add 1 serving of vegetables to every meal. Prioritize protein, eggs, chicken, fish, legumes. Drink more water than you think you need. Step 3. Movement, not just for fitness. You don't need intense workouts, but you do need consistency. Moderate exercise has been shown to improve immune circulation, helping your body detect and fight infections faster. But here's the catch. Too much intense exercise without recovery, that can actually weaken your immune system. Balance is key. Action step, walk 30 minutes daily. Add 2 to 3 strength sessions per week. Step 4, stress, the silent immune killer. Now let's talk about the one people ignore the most, stress. Chronic stress increases cortisol, and high cortisol suppresses immune function. Translation: the more stressed you are, the easier it is to get sick. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but I can't just eliminate stress. And you're right, but you can manage it. Action step: try 5 minutes of deep breathing daily. Get outside for sunlight. Limit constant news/social media overload. Even small changes here can make a huge difference. Step 5, consistency, the real secret. Here's what most people don't realize. It's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about doing the basics consistently. Because your immune system doesn't care what you do once. It responds to what you do daily. Think about it like brushing your teeth. You don't brush once and expect lifetime results. Same thing here. I remember a time when I used to get sick constantly, every few months, like clockwork. And I kept looking for the thing that would fix it. Supplements, quick fixes, hacks, none of it worked. But when I started focusing on the basics, sleep, food, movement, stress, something changed. I didn't just feel better. I stopped getting sick as often. That's when it clicked. It's not about boosting your immune system overnight. It's about building it over time. And this is where it gets really interesting, because once your immune system is strong, it doesn't just protect you from getting sick. It improves your energy, your focus, your productivity, which means It directly impacts your success in every area of life. Health isn't separate from performance. It's the foundation of it. So if you take away anything from this video, let it be this. Sleep is non-negotiable. Nutrition fuels your defense system, movement strengthens it, stress management protects it. Consistency is everything. No magic pills, no shortcuts, just systems that work. If you found this helpful, here's what I want you to do. Pick one habit from this video, just one, and commit to it for the next 7 days. Don't overcomplicate it, because small wins lead to big changes. And if you want more videos like this, focused on optimizing your health, wealth, and performance, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.